Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to create infinite stairs like this. As the player goes up, the new stairs are created automatically. I don't know where you want to use it, but you can use it anywhere, wherever you would like to. Sometimes you just want to go to, like, you are tired of the world and go to somewhere where no one can find you. You just want to go out of the world, so you can use these stairs for going there. So let's create these stairs. I already have created, but let me delete this so we can start from zero. Okay, I have created a blueprints folder. You can just create or create this blueprint wherever you want, like to. From here, click blueprint class, just right click on the blueprint class and actor. Now name it whatever you want. I would like to infinite stairs, and then open this. From here we need to add a cube and change this cube dimensions, like z-axis to like 0.1, and these to x-axis to 0.5 or something like this. So it would be like this stair like thing. And we can also change it to 1.2 or something like this if we would like to, or and change this 0.6. Now it makes some sense. Now add an arrow, just type arrow, don't add it here, add it to the default scene, attach it here. We will have to change this later. And now we need to add a collision box to this cube. Select this cube from here, add, and under the collision box collision, add this box collision. And now we need to resize this collision, something like this, and change its dimensions. uh, okay, and now just fit it to the something like this. You can add a material to this if you want to add, like from here I would like to add a material. Let's say wood. Do we have a wood material here? Oak wood, we have it. It will compile shaders maybe. And now we have to come with logic to respawn it, but first of all let's place this blueprint in our level. Where is our plane spot? Okay, it's a, and it looks like this. We can resize it from here. Yep, it suits. Okay, now we have to make some logic to respawn this cube or something like this. So first of all we will click on this collision box from here, and go to its properties below, and click on begin overlap. And from here we would like to check if, here we need to compare, and we would do just equal to, and this other actor. From here get player pawn. So what it will do, it will basically check if the overlapped component is really the player or not. If it is player, then we will spawn an actor from the class, and this class would be over this infinite stairs, or this would be infinite stairs. And from this transform, we need to split this because we want to change the location a little. So from here the location of this would be equal to the arrow, where here we will get the world location, get the world location, and then just spawn it there. And when it comes to transform, we will just fetch the default scene root here and get its scale, get world scale. Rotation would be same as it is, or you can actually also do this rotation as well. Just get from here, get world rotation, and spawn it there. Now let's test it if it works. It is spawning actually, but in the opposite direction where we want. So what we would do, we will just simply change. It is basically in the direction of arrow, as it is shown here. Where it is? It has gone somewhere. I don't know what's wrong. Okay, where we had this thing, it just vanished off. But we can spot it from here. Come on. Infinite stairs, unload it. Okay, we will just delete it from here. It's not even getting deleted, so let's leave it there. So as we can see, it is in the direction of the arrow, so we will resize it to fit according to the arrow. And we can also do another thing. Okay, I have to delete it. We can also change our blueprint to fit to the arrow direction. As we have made it like this, we can change it, so we do not need to change in every place. Now let's see if there is enough. Okay, we have to move it a little. Yep, fine now. But we can see it is spawning too close to the others, so we will just raise the arrow a little. We will raise the arrow and check it again. No, it's fine, and our player can actually get on to this, but there is an issue. If we just go again, it will spawn the again, like I would like to show. For example, if we just print a message from here, print string, and we would just print spawned, and if we test it, you would notice that if we just go upstairs and then come down, it would it is Now you can see if it spawned, but if we just go downstairs again, it will spawn again, because we are colliding with the box twice. So we need to check if we have already spawned or not. From here we will create a variable spawned and set it to false by default. Compile, and it is false. From here we will have to mark it true, and here we need to add another condition. If it is spawned, we can actually do not, but we can also just hook the false here and break this link. Now it will spawn only if it is not already spawned. Now let's check. Sorry, I forgot to add a print for the demonstration. Let's test it. As you can see, we have already spawned on, and now it is not spawning. And if you just want to end this lag and jump, you can just change the, you can actually reduce the height of the arrow in the blueprint. Like you need to find a suitable place where this arrow should be. You need to reduce it. You can reduce it like here, and yep. So now you can see that it would be going upstairs would be a bit more smooth, and but it is stuck here. Can we trigger it here? Oh. So you need to find out some suitable height which does not collide with other things, as collision box does not allow the colliding with other things. I hope you have liked this, and I have also tutorials about this jump pad. If it performs high jump like this.